Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplus.com. You have to learn using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values. And the lessons we're going to cover today are convert to from a number, convert between place values, convert from expanded form, convert between standard and expanded form. So please make sure before the next session, please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I am on grade 3 math place values. So we have already started, right? We have done with the place value models up to 100,000 and also the value of a digit. So today we're going to learn how do we convert two from a number, right? Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, type the missing number. Okay, you need to find the missing number. You are given 100, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So you have to write down the number. Okay, so you are given 100, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So you have to remember the place value chart. Keep the values in the place value chart. 7 ones means the ones, basically this ones tells you the place value of the digit. That means the place value of the digit 7 is 1. 7 is at the ones position, right? Then 4 tens, that means 4 is at the tens position and 1 is at the hundreds position. So just write them down. Place value chart, you have 7 ones, 4 tens, and 100. So the digit they make together is 107. Got it? Okay, let's just start the test questions. Okay, type the missing number 100. So you have to write it down in the place value chart. So the place value chart is the rightmost digit is the ones digit, then you have the tens and then you have the hundreds. So you are given just 100. That means 1 is at the hundreds. What about the 100 and ones digit? Tens digit, they are not given, right? So that means they are 0. 100 means you can 100. 1, 0, 0, right? You're not new here, I remember. But you came after a long time actually. The correct option is 100. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. If you are not given with the any of the digit, any of the place value, that means there must be a 0, right? The correct option is 100. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. The missing number. Okay, not given the digit. The digit is 307. You need to write it down as hundreds and ones, right? So that is 307. Just write it down. Place value chart. So 1 is at the ones place, 0 is at the tens, and 3 is hundreds, right? So now you that would be easy for you. You have 7 ones, 0 three hundreds. The correct option is 300s, 0 tens, and 7 ones, isn't it? So the correct option is option number 1, that is 300s, 0 ones and 7 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is correct option. Okay, type the 913. So which is the option? How do you write? Which option is the correct one? 913. Option number. Very good. 2 is the correct option. 900s, 1 tens, and 3 ones. Option 2 is the correct option. Very good. So 913 is, you can write it as actually like this, right? So you have 3 ones, 1 tens, and 900s. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. Got it, everyone? Is there any question you can ask if you have any, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, type the miss number 300s, 4 tens, and 3 ones. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number. Very good one. It is 343. Option number 1 is the correct option. 300s, 4 tens, 3 ones. So together they make 343. That is option number 1 is the correct and got it. Type the missing number 910. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. 900s, 10s, and 0 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. Type the missing number 601. So which is the correct option? That is option number 1 is the correct option. 600, 0, 10s, and 1 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Type the missing number 800s, 9, 10s, and 2 ones. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 892. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just do next lesson. The next lesson is convert between. That is convert between place values. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the first one is 20 tens. You have to write it into 100 forms, right? You have to write 20 tens in 100 forms, right? So basically, you need to count the tens. When you count from 1 to 100, you have 10 tens. They are 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So you have 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens, right? That is from 1 to 100. But when you have 20 10 means you have 200s. When you have 200s, you have 20 tens. The correct option is 20 tens. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we write, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 500 ones. So you have 500 ones. So then how many hundreds do you have? 500 ones means you have 500s. The correct option is option number 1, that is 500s. Okay, the next one is 8 tens. So you have 8 tens. How many ones do you have? The correct option is 80. 8 tens means 80. Yes, then that you have, then that means you have 80 ones. The correct option is 80 ones. Very good. 200 equal how many tens? 200 equal? Yes, 20 tens. The correct option is 20 tens. Option number 1 is the correct option. 400 ones equal how many hundred? The correct option is 401 equal 400. The correct option is 4. How? 40. 400 ones you have. So that is 400s. The correct option is 400s. Okay, 710s equal how many thousand? 710s equal 70,000. No, 70,000. 7,000. Not 70. 700 tens, right? They are 7,000. So the option is 7,000, not 70,000. That is just 7,000. 700 tens means 700 times 10, right? 100 times 10 is 7,000. So that is just 7,000. Okay, the next one is 1,000. So 6,000 is equal how many ones? 6,000 is equal 6,000 one. Option number one is the correct option. 6,000 equal. Yes, 6,000. Sorry, I thought that's the next one. Okay, 1,000 equal how many hundreds? 1,000 equal 10 hundreds. The correct option is 10 hundreds. 3 tens equal how many ones? 3 tens equal 30 ones. The correct option is 30 ones. Option number one is the correct option, right? 20 tens equal how many hundreds? 20 tens equal 200. The correct option is 200. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, we're left with just one question. Let's just finish. 7,000 is equal how many tens? Seven thousand is equal 70 tens. The correct option is 70, not 700. 700. Just 70 tens it is. 700. Because 700 times 10 is 7,000, right? So that is 700. Sorry. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is that is convert from expanded form. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, what is 500 plus 70 plus 1? So basically, when we write down, when we have the number written in the form, you have the addition sign 570 plus 1. That is known as the expand, right? And how do we convert from there? 5 means 5 is at the hundreds position, 70 means 7 is at the tens position, and 1 is at the 1 position. So basically, the number of zeros tells you the position of the number, right? So 500 means 5 is at the hundreds position, 70 is at the tens position, and 1 is at the ones position. So when you add them, the digit they make is 571. That is 571. Is 571, right? Let's just start with the test questions now. Let's see how do we write them down. 1800 plus 30 plus 9. So how do we write which digit it is? 7,000 means 7 is at the thousands position, 8 is at the hundreds position, 3 is at the tens, and 9 is at the ones. So which digit they make? Yes, that is option number one. So when you write 7 at the thousands position, that is 7. Then you have 3, and then you have 9. So that is 7,839. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 900 plus 20 plus 2. So which is the correct option? That is 922. Option number 2 is one is the correct option. That is 922. The next one is what is 30 plus 7? So which is the correct option? That is 37. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What is 10 plus 6? So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? What is 7,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 4? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 7,844. Option number 1 is the correction. What is 4,500 plus 50 plus 3? Which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. That is 4,553 is the correct option. What is 30 plus 6? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 36. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert between standard and expanded form. So the one we just learned is expanded form, right? When you write the number like this, 1000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 5 is the expanded form, right? And when you write them in the number form like 1925, that is the standard form, right? So I think now we can understand how do we write in expanded form and how in expanded form. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is 1000 plus 300 plus 5 in standard form? So how do we write? The correct option is 1305. Option number 1 is the correct option. What's 1000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 5 in standard form? So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2, that is 1925. The correct option is 5269. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. What is 5000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 4 in standard form? So, which is the option? The correct option is option number 1, that is 5494 is the correct option. What is 2000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 4 in standard form? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 2194. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 9000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 1 in standard form? That is 9551. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 8000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 8 in standard form? The correct option is 8258. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 3 math. The chapter we were working on is place values, and the lessons we have covered today are convert to from a number, convert between place values, convert from expanded form, and convert between standard and expanded form. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5. So if you have any questions related to the lesson, okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.